So hey guys, it is no secret that Apple is working on a new flagship range of smartphone for 2020. The phones are expected to launch later in this year, flaunting a new design scheme and upgraded for internals. And now we have more information about this phone, which are expected to be launched later around September or October this year. The new information comes courtesy of non-tipster Max Weinberg, who has been quite accurate this year with his leaks. The new iPhones from Apple are tipped to come in multiple sizes, with a non-Pro 5.4-inch model, a non-Pro 6.1-inch model, and a Pro 6.1-inch model and a Pro 6.7-inch model set to populate the list. While we have previously been made aware that the display will also differ from each other in technologies, OLED versus LCDs, however, the new report now sheds further light on the features of the panels. According to the tipster, a key differentiator between the display will be the refresh rate. The iPhone 12 will get 120Hz ProMotion display. However, this feature will be exclusive to 6.1 and 6.7-inch iPhone 12 Pro models. The report also adds that the ProMotion screens will feature dynamic refresh rate switching, allowing them to switch between 60Hz and 120Hz depending on the task at hand. Apart from this, the tipster also revealed that the iPhone 12 Pro models will also get a larger battery as big as 4400 mAh to handle the increased load caused by the faster refresh rate. The other changes coming to the iPhone 12 series will include a smaller notch, possibly as the result of shrinking down a Face ID sensor. The tipster also claimed that hardware for this tech could also support wide-angle lens for face unlock for multiple positions. Further, the tipster also claimed that iPhone 12 will feature updated autofocus than previous models. The camera improvements will also ensure better subject detection and slow motion performance under low light. There is also expected to be a telephoto zoom lens upgrade from 2x to 3x optical zoom. While the leak seems quite comprehensive, it would be prudent to remember that there is still remain quite a few months to launch of the iPhone 12, and as such, the information shared on the leak should be taken with a pinch of salt. So that is it in today's video guys. Let me know in the comment section below what do you guys think about these upgrades to the iPhone 12 series, and I'll catch you in my next video.